Okay, here's the song I think I might sing. And it's called ZappingHero has an Encon Monarch ceiling fan. So here it is. ZappingHero has a Encon Monarch ceiling fan. Dated June of 2001. 3 speeds and is reversible. Also has the canopy, downright motor housing, been a motor pretzel bracket. Also has pointed bleeds, reversible from wicker to plane. Got the switch housing for arm like it. The pull chain's got the teardrop pops on it. And one of the Encon Monarch ceiling fan had a bad capacitor, and it had to be replaced with the new capacitor. Okay, if y'all think that I really killed it, thumbs up for this video. And I did take the Star Sprinkle banner and made it into ZappingHero has an Encon Monarch ceiling fan. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. More to come.